Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today is going to be all about a master bedroom makeover. But before we get started, we have to get all this furniture out. And by we, I kind of mean Scott and Josh. Well, we're finished with the room. It's like 4 hours later. The guys have already left. They're getting a table at the Mexican restaurant. That was the deal. But I think the room turned out wonderful. It's really updated. She has all new furniture. The bedding is gorgeous. The drapes hung high up on the wall because she has vaulted ceilings. Alice even made a little pillow that matches the drapes. One of my favorite things in this room is she has an antique Holland window hung above her bed, and that's kind of like the first thing you see when you come in. It's really beautiful. They're waiting outside, so I'm really hoping they're going to be as excited as we are because we love the way it turned out.
Oh my gosh! Oh my God!